Hi, and welcome to Vegans Taste Better. I'm Mandy.
And I'm Lewis.
And today we're going to be trying cheese. Okay, so this one is just like feta. Be prepared for the leakage.
Right onto the orange. I think that one's from Whole Foods.
Look at it. Look how beautiful, creamy white it is.
So what is that feta made out of, Mandy?
This feta is made out of...
You're spilling it all over this.
Coconut oil, potato starch, and a bunch of other stuff.
Okay, so it's coconut oil.
Wow, and we are...
And we are making a huge fucking mess. So, slices, it kind of crumbles when you slice it.
Yeah.
Should we just try it plain first?
Yeah, let's try it plain first.
Unadulterated? Is that the right word?
Yeah.
Unadulterated?
Unadulterated.
I'm an unadulterous. Okay, melts in your mouth. Wow. It doesn't have a strong flavor. It's very light.
That tastes very cheesy though.
I think it's cheesy, but it's not
overpoweringly cheesy.
It's good.
First, it's like kind of grainy when I put it in my mouth, but then it just melts.
Trying it on a rice cracker.
I'm gonna try it on a Ritz cracker. Or it's not an actual Ritz. It's a late July
organic Ritz.
Organic vegan Ritz cracker.
It's so good on a cracker.
It would be, but this cracker
It's
has
stale.
a really weird aftertaste.
My cracker's stale, to be honest.
I don't know what the fuck's wrong with my
I'm pushing
cracker.
through, but it's like...
As a cracker, I am ashamed of this cracker.
My cracker's kind of like chewing on a wet washcloth.
Cheese is good though. And
Cheese
we
is
also
really
have organic Triscuits, cracked pepper, and olive oil. And that is actually Triscuit brand, which is
But it's organic. We got the organic
and
one.
vegan. Exciting label reading going on, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a damn good cracker. Very salty cracker though.
It's celery,
It
a
kind of
high-allergy
overpowers
food.
the cheese. Right, should we go on to the next one?
No, I'm not done. I gotta try this on Ritz or whatever this is. Triscuit.
I'll try your
Oh my god.
These crackers are awful.
I thought it was good. But
It's
really
like
salty.
putting salt and rosemary directly in your mouth.
Which is good.
That's it.
That's a good thing.
Can I go try it on the Ritz? Because the Triscuit was an absolute fail.
I like the Triscuit.
Wow.
Too salty. I
Way
like
too
that
salty.
pepper. It just pops you right in the mouth. It's a 1-2 punch of salt and pepper.
So this stuff is good by itself or on crackers, I think. I give this a 4.5 out of 5.
I think just getting over that little grainy mouthfeel when you first put it in, that's the only thing that would ding it down for me. I think this is a really good cheese. I'd give it a 5.
I would too. And this was like $5.
But we have some kind of shitty crackers, so I think that's what's taking it down for you. Because I think it's a good cheese.
Yeah.
Next cheese. We have vegan cream cheese made in Montana.
Woo!
Made from cashews, just like you wanted. This is Plant Perks. Plant Perks cashew cheese. So its first ingredients are cashews, filtered
Yay.
water, sriracha, red jalapeno puree, sugar, and I'm saying it like that because it's from Montana.
They don't have southern accents there though.
Sugar, garlic powder. So they don't add, one of the last ingredients is cocoa butter, sea salt, onion powder, nutritional yeast, and culture,
And where did we get
which
this
they
one?
also must import because they don't have culture in Montana.
Oh!
Okay, so where'd we get this?
Natural grocers. So plain.
It's pretty good. Spicy. Can
A
definitely
little bit spicy.
taste the jalapeno.
Oh, yeah, it's a slow kick in. That jalapeno. It doesn't hit you right off the bat.
Very creamy.
It's got a good sriracha flavor.
Creamy.
Alright, I'm going to try it on Ritz. Yeah, this is a very tasty cheese. Very cheesy. If I didn't know better, I would think it was real cream cheese and then spit it out and then yell at the person who gave it to me. We need to sign up. That says how many days we've been vegan without an accident.
Just like those OSHA things. I forgot I hated this cracker.
Bad cracker.
Yeah, that cracker definitely overpowers the cheese.
Those crackers are awful for cheese taste tests.
Yeah. All I taste is salt and pepper now. The Ritz, it was really good on the Ritz. Sorry, Late July.
It's good on the
Who
scale.
are not officially a sponsor of our channel yet.
Yet.
Yeah, this is a really good cheese. I give it 5 Omar heads. Good
I'll
shit.
give it 4.
One.
I prefer this one. I could eat this whole block of cheese.
I could put this in
Literally.
my coffee.
I could put this up my butt.
I could put this up her butt.
Sponsor us, hey. Just kidding.
No, do sponsor us. Seriously, give us money. Okay. Our last one is...
What? There's more?
There's one more. So we haven't tried this one before, even though it's open. One of our daughters got into it already. It is plant-based mozzarella 365 brand. So this is found at Whole Foods. So we've had Dea and you can
Lots
see
of
how
other
this,
brands.
but this is a shred. So it's not very stretchy, it just breaks apart and then spills all over the place. I'm gonna just try a few plain shreds.
I'm trying to talk. I've been trying to talk for like 5 minutes.
So plain.
It tastes like normal vegan cheese, raw. It's like chalky and
Yeah.
I think it's got a good cheesy flavor, but
Bad mouthfeel.
then we were gonna try it toasted,
Melted.
melted. What do you want yours on? Ritz?
We should try one of each. Okay, so we're gonna put some cheese on the crackers because eating this one on crackers just seems stupid unless it's melted. So we'll be right back. Oh, and we're back. Okay, so this is melted now.
Okay,
Ooh,
first.
you can see the meltiness of it. Ow,
Show
ow, ow.
your show your cracker.
That's lava hot.
Mine doesn't look as good.
Okay, so it's very melty.
Crackers become even more stale. It's definitely a lot better melted.
It's got, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's kind of got that cheesy stretchiness to it. But it's more like a liquid than a solid.
It's halfway between a liquid and a solid, I think.
It's also really hot right now. So yeah, it's pretty good. Again, the salt and pepperiness of that.
That cracker is out of control.
That was way too fucking salty.
Horrid. Try this one. Oreo. Not Oreo.
Late July,
Gross.
soon to be
Ritz.
sponsored. So, we're definitely going to put this on a pizza later.
Yeah. And this would be good on a pizza.
This would not be good on a blueberry bagel, but we're going to do that anyways. God, why do I keep eating this cracker? It's so fucking salty.
Bad. Thumbs down on the cracker.
Thumbs up on the cheese.
Can I give this cheese a 3?
I don't know that if I put this on something that I would have used Dea in, if I would notice the difference.
Probably not. Stop eating
Again,
that
this is
cracker.
so awful. At first, I didn't mind this cracker, but now it's really starting to bug me.
It's insane. All right. So which was your favorite?
I'm gonna go with the sriracha, the plant
Mine was the
Plant Perks sriracha.
Vile Life.
Yeah,
Delicious.
the Vile Life, very good. I've had their singles, very cheesy.
You have?
But not for feta. They're American
Oh,
cheddar.
I think I remember those.
Yeah.
Those were really good. Yes,
Yeah,
these people
very-
make good cheeses.
They have a very strong cheesy aroma. So, they make pretty good cheese. Next, we should try their crumbles or their shreds.
I didn't know they had a shred.
I didn't either until today.
Oh,
Found that
wow.
out. Yeah. To recap, this one's 4 5 stars for us. This one's, I think, average 4 stars for us. And then, 4 Omar heads. Start over. So this one was 4 Omar heads for us, or 5 Omar heads. This one got an average of, I think, 4 Omar heads. And this one,
3.
3, 4, like by itself, not on a pizza or in a sauce. It's just okay. But on a pizza, I think this would be good. Or
Yep.
something melted, it's great.
All right.
3 stars.
Thanks
3
for
Omar heads.
Thanks for watching.
I could put this up her butt. And then eat it out of her butt.
I don't think that
She's
would
choking
be-
because she knows I'm serious.
You ruined the video.
We just lost a sponsor. Sorry, Plant Perks. Our cheese is not intended for anal usage.
What's this one called?
We're gonna get a cease and desist order.
Fist bump.
Yeah. Ow, your knuckles are like daggers.
It's because I'm so freaking ripped and strong.
It's because
Know
like
my own
your
strength.
hands like skeleton.
Vegan
hands.
strength.
Take it down a notch. Yes.
Bye.